What happens when artificial intelligence, robotics, and military aviation come together inside one massive factory? In China, that future is already happening. The plant producing fifth-generation warplanes is designed to operate with little to no human involvement. So how can a factory actually double fighter jet production? The answer lies in automation and digital integration. Deep inside highly advanced aerospace facilities, automated machines are working day and night, assembling some of the world's most sophisticated fighter jets. And at the center of this industrial transformation is the J-20, China's stealth fighter designed to compete with the most advanced aircraft on Earth. Reports suggest that China has dramatically increased production capacity, with smart factories now capable of producing J-20 fighter jets at a pace never seen before. But how exactly are these smart factories changing military aviation? Why is the production speed increasing so rapidly? And what could this mean for global air power in the future? Today, we explore how China's smart manufacturing revolution is helping build more fighter jets than ever before. The rise of China's smart factories. Over the last decade, China has invested billions of dollars into advanced manufacturing technologies. These are not traditional factories filled with manual labor and slow assembly lines. Instead, they are smart factories, highly automated production systems powered by artificial intelligence, industrial robots, big data, and real-time digital monitoring. Inside these facilities, robotic arms weld aircraft structures with extreme precision. AI systems analyze production quality instantly. Sensors track every component moving through the assembly line. The goal is simple: build faster, reduce errors, and increase efficiency. In military aviation, this advantage is enormous. Building a fifth-generation stealth fighter is one of the most difficult engineering tasks in the world. Every aircraft contains thousands of complex parts, advanced radar systems, stealth coatings, powerful engines, and sensitive electronics. Traditionally, manufacturing these jets takes years. But smart factories are changing the equation. By automating repetitive tasks and using digital production systems, China can significantly reduce assembly time while maintaining high precision. And the biggest beneficiary of this transformation appears to be the J-20 stealth fighter. The J-20, also known as the Mighty Dragon, is China's most advanced stealth fighter jet. Developed by Chengdu Aerospace Corporation, the aircraft officially entered service with the Chinese Air Force in 2017. The J-20 was designed to rival advanced Western stealth fighters such as the American F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. At first glance, the aircraft immediately stands out because of its stealthy angular shape, internal weapons bays, and long-range design. Military analysts believe the J-20 is optimized for long-distance air superiority missions, allowing China to project power far beyond its borders. As production technology improves, China is now reportedly producing these aircraft much faster than before. And that's where smart factories become critical. So, how can a factory actually double fighter jet production? The answer lies in automation and digital integration. Traditional aircraft manufacturing involves multiple disconnected stages. Parts are transported manually between departments. Human inspections slow down the process. Mistakes can delay production for weeks. Smart factories work differently. Everything is digitally connected. AI systems monitor inventory levels automatically. Machines communicate with one another in real time. Robotic systems perform precision drilling, cutting, and assembly with minimal interruption. This creates what experts call a digital production ecosystem. In practical terms, it means aircraft can move through production lines much faster. China has also embraced advanced manufacturing techniques like 3D printing for aerospace components, automated composite material fabrication, digital twins for aircraft simulation, predictive maintenance systems, AI-driven quality control. Digital twin technology is especially important. Engineers can create a virtual version of the aircraft before physical assembly even begins. This allows teams to identify potential issues early and optimize the production process before manufacturing starts. As a result, production efficiency increases dramatically. Some defense analysts believe China's J-20 output may now rival or exceed production rates previously considered impossible for stealth aircraft. And if true, this could reshape military balance in the Asia-Pacific region. In modern warfare, production capability is just as important as technology. A country may possess advanced fighter jets, but if production is slow, replacing losses or expanding air power becomes difficult. History has shown that industrial capacity often determines military strength during long-term competition. China appears to understand this lesson very well. By combining advanced aerospace engineering with smart manufacturing, Beijing is not only building advanced aircraft, it is building them at scale. This matters because stealth fighters are incredibly expensive and difficult to produce. A faster production rate means larger stealth fighter fleets, faster deployment capability, improved pilot training availability, stronger regional air dominance, greater strategic flexibility. The rapid growth of China's aerospace industry has attracted global attention. Military analysts around the world are closely watching the expansion of China's stealth fighter program. Some experts believe China could eventually become one of the largest producers of fifth-generation fighter aircraft in the world. And this may only be the beginning. Future smart factories could become even more autonomous, using advanced AI systems capable of managing entire production lines with minimal human involvement. In the coming decades, the countries that dominate advanced manufacturing may also dominate military power. China's smart factories represent more than just industrial modernization. They reveal how artificial intelligence, automation, and advanced manufacturing are transforming military production on a massive scale. The rapid expansion of J-20 production shows that the future of air power may not depend solely on designing better fighter jets, but on building them faster than anyone else. As technology continues evolving, one question becomes increasingly important: could smart factories become the ultimate weapon in the global race for military dominance? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into military technology, aviation, and the future of global defense. Thanks for watching.